Greetings. So in the intro, you saw a macro working that has very interesting components to it. Basically, in any company, where parts like these are laser or plasma cut, you have a certain process of inputting the data that's necessary, making the drawings, making the DXF files, and this macro automates away that process. Now, this is a generalized case, so the quantities that we have are the name of the part, the dimensions, the thickness, the assembly number, the contour length of the face, and basically all that you need to do is just select the face of interest and run the macro. Also, another thing that's important, if you want the quantity from an existing assembly, you have to have the assembly opened up in the background. Now, the hierarchy here doesn't matter. You can have this part on the main assembly level, on a sub-assembly level, sub-assembly level, it will count them all. Now all that you need to do essentially is just select the face and run the macro. Now, in the status bar, you will have the values that are calculated. So the name is basically the same as the SolidWorks part name, a bit redundant, but hey, the quantity, like I said, is extracted from the assembly file, and you have the overall dimensions here. So this is a 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters, and you have the thickness, which is 20 millimeters, I believe, so 20 millimeters, and you have the assembly number, which is also grabbed from the assembly file. It's assembly 1, and the contour length in meters of this face. Now, like you saw here, you don't necessarily have to continue this program. You can press escape to cut it off because the custom properties are entered. So the custom properties are in the custom property tab, and the DXF file is also made. So you can cut the macro off at this stage or just press tab to continue. Now, once you press tab, SolidWorks drawing will be generated, which has the overall dimensioning already finished and 2 views that are scaled up to spec. So we can try this with a few different parts. So let's save this. And let's open up this part here. So the process is basically the same, just to select the face of interest, run the macro, all the values will be in the status bar, or you can manually open up the file properties and then just press tab to continue. The overall dimensions are added and the thickness also, and let's continue to the next part. I believe we have one more part here. Yes, it's this one. Let's open it up, select the face, run the macro, and just press tab. That's it. All the DXF files are also automatically made. You can then save the sheet. You can save the sheet here. And that's pretty much it. So all of the custom properties are entered, the drawings are made, and the DXF files are also generated. So specifically for this one, here it is. And for this one too. And for the third one as well. Thank you for your attention. Until the next video.